Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need clean, well-labeled data first. Convert the range to a table so Excel tracks changes, highlight headers and columns, then press Ctrl+T. Once done, select the data or click any table cell to anchor the chart. Make sure labels are in the top row and numbers are contiguous. That lets Excel pick axes automatically. You're starting with structure, not styling, because a correct range prevents wrong axis types and mismatched series when you insert the chart. Next, choose the right chart type for the story you want to tell. Use scatter for correlations, line for trends, and column for comparisons. Click Insert and pick recommended charts, then refine in chart design. Swap rows and columns if series are reversed, or add and remove series. Once the structure is right, use Format to style axes, add axis titles, data labels, and adjust colors for accessibility. Make sure grid lines and scale reflect the data range so values aren't misleading. Finish by refining scales and labels. Set axis min and max so small differences aren't invisible, and add a secondary axis for mixed units. Once satisfied, export the chart as an image or PDF for sharing, or copy it into presentations while maintaining resolution. If things go wrong, check the data source. Hidden rows, text in numeric cells, or inconsistent ranges are common culprits. If a series disappears, reselect the table or update series, ranges, and select data to fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.